They're going out of style.
Dude, they're gonna go out of stock in 3 seconds.
You know, they sell like giant boxes of grippos.
Yeah, you could just get a
Like a
giant
5-pound
They're
bag.
really not as good though.
We need to get a class box of grippos.
No, because Josh would eat them all.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Start stabbing people.
I'm gonna bring it.
Oh
Yeah,
my
I
God,
gotta get
it's
them all.
overflowing, Rossi. You're gonna look like a fat ass carrying all this. This is out of hand. This is really bad. You get the whole fucking thing.
You gotta get the other 3. Oh,
No.
there's something else
No,
back
man.
there.
Out of dollars.
Hey, no, there's something else back there. There's like it has a G on it.
Just because they sold so many grippos, they're gonna.
Alright, we gotta see if we can get these bitches out of here.
Oh god. Oh god. This isn't good. They're clogged. It's clogged. Huh. I got it.
Oh my god.
We got it.
Are you not get it up?
They're overflowing.
Good job.
Oh, watch
My
out.
fingers are
Yeah, put your. Wait, what? We got this.
We don't want to.
I'm getting that.
Here, we'll just crush one bag. Oh my
I
gosh.
can't believe this is happening. We should have took him
We
out
need
one
some
at a time.
Romex. Slap that shit over.
Or I don't have a pencil or anything.
You're gonna have to squish one.
You want me to go get you want me to go get a screwdriver or a tool? Oh wait. Oh,
Oh, there you go.
my god. Wait. What is the on right now?
How much does that cost?
That's 8, so like $4.
Somebody get some grippos.